Yes.
I flipped the press.
Oh, thank you. Let me see. Oh, that looks good. We're frying it in avocado oil, 100% pure.
That one is all the...
Got a little coyote squash, red onion, Anna. It's really good. My Filipino style cook. We're going to throw in some leftover chicken bones and have a little
I
soup.
like bones.
Simple, healthy.
And I put this one.
We use chosen 100% pure avocado oil. We got some
No.
fresh garlic.
Garlic fresh. And I'll just peel it. Duck.
Duck goose.
No.
Anyway, well, one of the things we got today at Publix was some gluten-free chocolate-flavored protein powder. Let's see, it's got the pea protein, organic isolate, organic pure rice protein, organic cocoa powder. We got the chocolate flavor, which we like. I'm going to try this brand for a healthy alternative to our protein intake. So we'll give that a try tomorrow. Anyway. And I bought some of this 100% natural moringa leaf powder, which I kind of mix in with some green tea. Where is my green tea? Oh well. I think we moved it. Oh, there it is. We got some of this matcha ceremonial green tea, which we'd like to make. Add a little light whipping cream with it. Some honey. Makes a perfect latte. Anyway. That's all for now. Anna's finishing up dinner. Ella's writing in her book. Right, Ella? Say hi. She's in deep thought. She's got her leg crossed. All right, Ella? And it's a secret. We got a secret diary until further notice. All right, we'll see you all later. Have a great day.